You really think you deserve that water now, Tanner?
Watch the beam.
It's Wolvie!
7 tributes remain. Lynn Wolvie and Lucy Gray.
Poor Wolvie.
And who do we have here? Ah, it's Dill.
Oh no, she's gonna drink it. Ah! Oh, GG's for her.
Don't wake up. Dill? Hey.
Son of our beloved president, sustained
Wow.
the rebel bombing. Out there in the districts, a rainbow of destruction will engulf our arena. Give me a drink. Give me a drink right now.
Wowza.
Trust me. We sent them out during the war to pick up rebel conversations. Failed experiment, but an instructive one.
They stuffed it in there for. They stuffed it in there so they get used to her scent. Remember what we heard at the start of the film?
Is she great? Is she okay?
She won't be for long.
Yeah, oh yeah, bloody pig.
It's not gonna be good.
Is it over?
Well,
That is goodbye to Festus Creed. Have a nice summer.
She's won. It's over. She's won.
oh no way.
Headed for heaven. I've lost sense of time, broke here.
Don't you go. She won.
She can't sing forever.
I'll catch you up when I've worn out my friends in the old there before. When I'm telling the score and nothing is left, but I'm pure like a dove.
Get her out.
Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it.
Who will watch the games if there's no victor?
Get around.
Lucy Gray. Well. They let her out. They let her out, but did they kill her? Off camera. Huh.
I warned you, Mr.
Cheated.
Snow. Cheating will be punished.
Lucy Gray, where is she?
How many times did I see your mother use it? I wonder. We found it in the snake tank, appropriately. Condemning you with your father's own initials. Serve your capital in exile for the next 20 years. You hear that, boy?
Part 3, The Peacekeeper. The final.
Send me to 12. Please.
You know, I thought I might find you here sitting home by yourself. My father had to buy the academy a brand new gym just so I could get my... I couldn't get out fast enough. They never told us what you did.
I cheated to save Lucy Gray from the snakes.
Your life has just begun. You're gonna do great.
Oh yeah, they didn't do great things, but they did do great for themselves. Okay.
You will rise together and you will fall together to report anything suspicious you see, because if you do not, you are as good as a rebel yourself. We retrieved the murder weapon. We swabbed it for DNA. This is what happens when you challenge the capital's rule of law.
I don't think I would have been able to shoot her. Would you? Boost morale.
Boost morale.
Hey, I'm gonna go get a drink.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, come on, y'all. You know I gave up drinking when I was 12. Can't take my past. Was ever worth keeping. My charm. Can't take my humor. Billy Toad. Settle down. Get your hands off me,
Alright.
Who thought I'd have to save you? She's alive.
No stranger would it be.
They said I might find you out here.
I still got one foot in the arena.
I thought you were dead.
I thought I was too.
I brought him dead.
He put me on a train himself, gave me some money. Told me the strangest thing. He said he was glad that I survived you.
You're safe.
There's no way they kiss. She doesn't want to kiss anyone. There's no way. Oh, she actually did. Alright.
Your peacekeeper friends. There's a lake out in the woods. Nobody knows much of it except us, Cubby. We can be free out there.
Boys, come.
Who's the other guy with him?
I remember that. Carefully choosing when to weigh it. Don't you think they need help?
They lost the war, Suzanne. Just because you feel a bit guilty.
And when I cross the wild, the solitary child, they track them all, not ever lost one. She is a little child. Mockingjays, we call them.
The footprints.
Maybe she flew away.
It was my mother's.
Thank you.
But I hope you'll come back with me.
Capital's not for me.
At least it's civilized.
What if this was our life, Coriolanus? Should you just pick this?
Yep.
Thank you.
Early for what?
To eat the roots. I think Katniss has a much nicer ring, don't you? He misses Billy Toad.
Trust is everything.
It's everything to me. If you can trust anyone in this world, you can trust me.
Oh,
Brett Snow, come with us.
I received the results from your aptitude test this morning. You're General Crassus Snow's boy. What did you do to end up here? To officer training in District 2, you'll earn a real wage. You'll never see anyone from District 12 again. This is an honor, Private.
Thank you.
Who are you?
Tigers.
Great, we're fine.
Tigers, where are you?
We're renting this place just for right now. It's fine.
wow.
I really don't want you to worry.
Ridiculous. I knew there was something going to happen to his family. I knew it. I'm telling you, we're going to find out now in the next 20 or so minutes just exactly why he is the way he is. Well, why he was the way he was. Brilliant. Brilliant storytelling throughout this whole entire movie. Absolutely brilliant.